Hey, can I see you for a minute?
You see me all day. You work here.
What's a stupid dog doing down here?
He's not a stupid dog, Hayden. I wish you quit saying that. He's just a little high-strung.
High-strung? I got a dead mouse on my porch that's more high-strung than a dog.
You didn't say that. You see my apartment. Every time I leave him alone, he goes nuts. My landlady says if I don't do something, she's going to make me get rid of him. Hey, can I keep him here until I figure out what to do?
All right, if you're going to keep him down here, keep him in the team room.
By himself, he'd go crazy.
Well, what would going crazy be for this dog? Wagging its tail? Keep him in the team room.
Hey, you're the boss. Come on, boy. I'm going to put you in here now. You be good. Hope we're doing the right thing. He hates to be left alone.
Just quit worrying about the darn dog and help me go over the depth charts for spring trials.